And let's start with our lesson. Okay, so this is you and go. Okay, see, we have here the seasons of Arnold's apple tree. So teacher will be playing you the audio so that we can hear the story. Then later on, we will be reading this one. So here you go. Wait, let me. Oh, what's that?
Page 78. Read. The seasons of Arnold's apple tree.
It's spring.
My name is Arnold. I have an apple tree. It keeps me busy all year. I watch small buds grow on my apple tree. They grow into apple blossoms. I watch honeybees collect nectar from the blossoms.
Making a house?
I make a swing for my apple tree.
It's summer.
I build a treehouse in my apple tree. My apple tree shades me from the hot sun. I watch small apples begin to grow. I juggle some green apples for my tree friend.
It's fall.
My apple tree now has big, red, tasty
Oh,
apples.
thank you so much for that.
I
Kai
bring
and
some
Ria.
leaves up to my treehouse. I make a soft floor to lie on. I shake the branches. Red apples fall to the ground. I put them in a basket and take them home. My family and I make apple pies.
It's winter.
In the winter, snow falls. It's quiet. The branches of my apple tree are bare. I hang strings of popcorn and berries on the branches. The birds eat them. I build a snowman.
The snow melts. It's spring again.
All right. Okay. So now, baby Kai, I want you to read spring and summer. Then, baby Rick, I want you to read the fall and winter. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ready, baby Kai?
Yes.
Okay. You can start reading the spring now.
The season of autumn apple trees. It's
Mm-hmm.
spring. My name is Andrew. No. I have an apple tree. It keeps me busy all year. I
Mm-hmm.
watch more buds grow on my apple tree. They grow
Okay.
into apple blossoms. I watch honeybees collect nectar from the blossom.
Next.
I make a swing for my apple tree.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Next.
Summer.
Mm-hmm.
I built a tree house in my apple tree. My
Okay.
apple tree shades me from the hot sun.
Mm-hmm.
I watch more apples begin to grow. I
Okay.
juggle some green apples for my tree friend.
All right. Okay. So now, baby Rick, I want you to read the fall and the winter.
Wow, my apple tree now has big red tasty apples. I bring some leaves up to my treehouse. I make a soft floor to lie on. I shake the red apple fall to the ground. I put them in the basket and take them home. My family and make apple pies.
Mm-hmm.
It's winter. In the winter, snow fall. It's quiet. The branch of my apple trees are bare. I have string of popcorn and berries on branches. The birds eat them. I build a snowman. The
Mm-hmm.
snowman is spring again.
All right. So it's spring again. Okay, for you, baby Kai, what's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Okay, how about you, baby Rick?
My favorite season is autumn and winter.
Oh, okay. So first, let's have you, baby Kai. Why do you like winter, baby Kai?
Because it's my birthday.
It's your
Birthday.
birthday?
Yes.
Oh, so when is your birthday, baby?
Birthday is in November.
Oh, November. What day
Four,
on November?
four,
November
four
4.
November.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. I am also November, but it's 29. How about you, baby Rick? Why do you like the autumn or the winter?
Because in autumn I can pick
Mm-hmm.
leaves.
Oh, I see. Okay, so I will be asking you some questions related to the story. So first, what does Arnold build in his apple tree during the summer?
A tree house.
Okay, a tree house. Okay, baby Kai and baby Rick, you can answer both of you. Okay. So next, what delicious treat does Arnold and his family make in the fall?
Apple pie.
Okay, apple pie. How about what does Arnold hang on the tree branches for the birds in winter?
Corn and berries.
All right, popcorn and
Berries.
berries. Okay, next question. What season is your favorite in Arnold's story and why? Baby Kai first. Which season is your favorite in Arnold's story and why?
I like winter
Okay, why, baby? Why winter in Arnold's story?
because I can make a snowman.
You can make a snowman. Okay, how about you, baby Rick? What do you like? What season do you like in Arnold's story?
I like farm.
Okay, why do you like fall?
Oh, I can pick apple.
Apples. Okay, next question. If you had, okay, Rick first. If you had an apple tree in your yard, what would you like to build or do near it? Again, if you had an apple tree in your yard, what would you like to build or do near it?
I build a swing.
Oh, why? Why do you like to build, what was that? A
A
swing?
swing.
Okay, how about you, baby Kai? What do you like to build with it?
I like to build
Hmm?
a
Ah,
uh,
a what, baby?
I think uh,
Okay, what was that, baby Kai?
a tree.
Oh, a tree built into the tree? A tree house?
Yes.
A tree house?
Yes.
Oh, all right. So next question. How does the tree change from spring to winter? Okay, so for spring, we have the small buds and blossom grow, honeybees visit. Summer, full green leaves and small growing apples appear. Fall, Big, red, tasty apples ripen and leaves torn or fall. Winter, the tree branches become bare and covered in snow. Okay, next question, baby. Hmm. What
Okay.
does Arnold do to the branches in the fall to get the apples down? Again, what what does Arnold do to the branches in the fall to get the apples down?
Yeah.
Okay,
Click, click,
there. Okay,
click,
he
click.
shakes the branches. Okay, he shakes the branches. Okay, so now we're done with the story. So let's proceed already with the next page. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, understand, comprehension. What do you like about the story? So what you're going to do is I need you to check, baby, on what do you like about the story, okay?
I can see the
Uh,
screen.
what?
I can see the screen.
You cannot see the screen? Why?
Someone draw. Oh.
Okay, let me share it again. Oh, someone is sharing something. That's why you cannot see my screen.
Which
Okay.
person?
Okay, can you stop sharing that, baby, so that the other student can see my screen?
Okay.
Okay, so now we have here understand, comprehension. What do you like about the story? So please put a check mark. Okay, baby Kai or baby Rick, you can use any color so that I will know or I can know whose
Yeah.
answer is that.
Click, click. Oh.
Okay, who's that? Is that Kai or Rick?
Hi. Click, click, click.
Oh, that's Kai. Okay, how about you, Rick? Where is your answer, baby?
Oh. Tick, 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 tick.
Oh, what's that? Why did you answer everything?
I like answer everything. So here. Tick, 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 tick.
Okay, you like everything? How about you,
No.
baby Rick? Oh no,
Here. The red
you are
one.
the red one. But you answered
Yeah.
so many. You only need to answer one. As you can
No, I
see,
not the red one. I the
no.
green one.
As you
Here.
can see, we have here the happy, not so happy,
Here.
and the sad. So you should answer only three, okay? Only three.
No. Answer
Why
like this.
no? Oh,
Answer
okay.
like
It's
this.
mm-hmm.
Tick, tick, tick.
Mm-hmm. All right, so that would be all. So for today, baby Kai and baby Rick, thank you so much. And are you going to play again football today?
Yes.
Oh,
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Just make sure to enjoy and careful always, okay? All right,
Okay.
so for today, baby Kai and baby Rick, thank you so much again for our class, and I hope that you enjoy our day today. So goodbye, everyone. See you again on See you again tomorrow. Okay?
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye, everyone.